Ladies and gentlemen, I am honored to stand before you today to delve into a fundamental theme that lays the foundation for a life rich in fulfillment and achievement: clarity of purpose. Our voyage towards realizing our ambitions begins with a singular, profound step: nurturing a clear vision. The tapestry of history is replete with individuals whose clear vision was the compass guiding them through the turbulent seas towards the shores of their aspirations. They exemplify the essence of defining one's goals with a lucidity that shines through the dense fog of life's uncertainties. Consider the tale of J.K. Rowling, a name synonymous with literary magic. Her journey commenced from a single vision to enrapture the world with the wizarding saga of Harry Potter. Despite facing the storms of rejection and personal tribulations, her clear vision was the beacon that led her to pen down a story that resonates across generations. Dive into the realm of personal development, and you'll encounter a plethora of luminaries who emphasize the cardinal importance of a clear vision. One such luminary is Stephen R. Covey, whose seminal work, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, underscores the paradigm of beginning with the end in mind. He articulates that a clear vision of your destination empowers you to take the right steps in the present. Now let us delve into the quintessence of our discourse today: defining your goals, understanding and articulating desires. The first stride towards a fulfilling life is to introspect and understand what you truly covet. Once the heart and mind are in consonance, articulate these desires into tangible goals. An anecdote that encapsulates this notion is the narrative of Elon Musk. His audacious vision of a multiplanetary existence for humanity led to the genesis of SpaceX. His clarity of purpose transcends conventional boundaries, yet it all commenced with defining a singular, albeit colossal, goal. Ladies and gentlemen, the words of the motivational maestro Tony Robbins resonate profoundly when he says, "Clarity is power." The more clear and definite your goals are, the more you can steer the helm of your life towards the horizon of success. As we traverse through the labyrinth of life, let our vision be the torchbearer, illuminating the path, dispelling the shadows of ambiguity, and guiding us towards the zenith of our potential. Our journey of 1,000 miles commences with this singular step: nurturing a clear vision, defining our goals, and engraving them in the bedrock of our consciousness. As we stride with unwavering resolve, let's remember, in the eloquent words of Helen Keller, the only thing worse than being blind is having sight but no vision. I implore each one of us to seize the reins of our destiny, to define and refine our vision, and to march forward with a heart brimming with hope and a soul aflame with purpose. Consider the profound wisdom of Sinin, who invites us to start with why. Sinek propounds that understanding our why is the precursor to establishing a clear vision. It's the why that fuels our journey towards achieving our goals, acting as the compass in the vast ocean of possibilities. Now let's turn our attention to the narrative of Oprah Winfrey, a paragon of perseverance and clear vision. Oprah's journey from a humble background to becoming a media mogul stands as a testament to her clear vision of creating a platform that inspires and empowers. Her profound understanding and articulation of her goals have not only manifested in a legacy of influence, but have also touched lives globally. Diving deeper into the essence of our theme, let's reflect upon the words of the illustrious author and speaker, Tracy. He avers, clarity is the most important concept in personal productivity. The clearer we are about what we want, the more effective we become in the pursuit of our goals. And who can forget the impactful musings of Zig Ziglar, whose words have been a beacon of motivation? Ziglar emphasized, what you get by achieving your goals is not as important as what you become by achieving your goals. This underscores the transformative journey that commences with a clear vision. An epitome of a clear vision leading to unrivaled success is the narrative of Jeff Bezos. His vision of creating the Earth's most customer-centric company led to the birth of Amazon. A clear, articulate vision was the cornerstone that propelled Amazon from a garage startup to a global hallmark of e-commerce. Ladies and gentlemen, as we reflect upon these enlightening narratives and insightful words, the common thread weaving through is the power of a clear, well-defined vision. It's this clarity of purpose that acts as the cornerstone of monumental achievements. Let the words of these luminaries embolden us to carve out our clear vision, articulate our goals with unwavering certainty, and march towards our desired horizon with a resolve that reverberates through the annals of time. In conclusion, let's carry with us the indelible words of the celebrated motivational speaker Les Brown, who affirmed, wanting something is not enough. You must hunger for it. Let our clear vision ignite the hunger within to stride towards the pinnacle of our aspiration.